Microsoft has recently launched an incredible update to its Bing search engine, now powered by artificial intelligence. In this video, I will introduce you to the exciting new AI features offered by Bing and explain why you should give it a try. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and show your support by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Now let's explore the remarkable advancements in Bing and how it can revolutionize your web experience. Bing, Microsoft's search engine, competes with other search engines like Google. However, Bing goes beyond just finding websites. It offers a comprehensive set of tools to find answers, create content, and complete tasks. Powered by cutting-edge AI technology, including OpenAI's GPT-4 language model, Bing can generate human-like text on any subject. Additionally, Bing leverages Microsoft's vast search index, which contains billions of web pages and constantly updated documents. By combining these two sources of knowledge, Bing delivers the most relevant results for your queries. Now, let's delve into the new AI features introduced by Bing. Firstly, there's voice chat, allowing you to interact with Bing using your voice instead of typing. This feature enhances convenience, speed, and accessibility. By simply clicking the microphone icon, a chat window opens where you can speak your query and receive Bing's response. Voice chat utilizes speech recognition technology to convert your voice into text, which is then processed using natural language understanding to generate a suitable response. The response is converted back into speech using text-to-speech technology and played back to you. Another notable feature is chat history, which lets you access your previous chats with Bing on the Edge browser and resume them at any time. This feature utilizes cloud storage to store and sync your Bing chats across devices, ensuring you can continue conversations and stay organized. Whether you're planning a trip or researching a product, chat history enhances productivity and keeps your chats relevant. Bing has also introduced Images in Chat Answer, which allows you to view pictures within your chat, making interactions clearer, more engaging, and enjoyable. When you ask Bing a question that requires visual information, it automatically displays related pictures, accompanied by brief explanations. This feature utilizes image recognition technology to find pictures from the web or Bing's image database, providing visual context to help you better understand the topic at hand. Whether it's adorable animals, famous landmarks, or historical events, images and chat answers enrich your experience. With the introduction of knowledge cards, Bing now offers quick information on various topics in a card-like format. These knowledge cards provide concise summaries, along with additional details, links, images, videos, and interactive actions. By asking Bing a question related to a specific topic or entity, you will be presented with a knowledge card that summarizes relevant information extracted from various sources. It simplifies the process of obtaining information without the need to browse through multiple websites or pages. By clicking on the tabs below the card, you can access more information, images, videos, and actions related to the topic or entity, allowing for a comprehensive exploration. Bing has also enhanced its ability to provide optimized answers for popular topics, such as travel, health, and entertainment. Using advanced language models and the extensive search index, Bing ensures that when you ask a question about a trending topic, you receive a highly relevant answer tailored to your query and context. Language models help Bing mimic human-like responses, while the search index enables it to retrieve the latest and most appropriate information from the internet. This feature allows you to discover further details by clicking on the tabs beneath the answer. For instance, if you inquire about earthquakes, you can explore additional information, including data, graphs, maps, and news specific to your country. Finally, Bing offers improved copy-paste support, enhancing the functionality of copying content from Bing to other applications or websites while preserving formatting, citations, and links. Whether it's text or images, such as poems, answers, or pictures, Bing ensures that the copied content appears correctly and includes the necessary references. This feature simplifies the process of copying information from Bing, making it easier, more reliable, and better integrated into your work or social posts. In conclusion, Bing is a powerful AI-driven search engine that serves as your co-pilot for the web. With its voice chat, chat history, images and chat answers, knowledge cards, optimized answers for popular topics, and improved copy-paste support, Bing provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help you find information, create content, and accomplish tasks seamlessly. You can experience the new Bing by visiting bing.com/new or by downloading the new Edge browser. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video informative, please support my channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.